Power through residue, choose your finish. Hi, I'm Ben Eidlin with Summers. Today I'm walking you through the Elite Chisel. Summers Elite Chisel is built for high performance tillage with the versatility to match your operation. It delivers serious residue management and consistent soil penetration to set up next season's success. Models cover a wide range with the select configurations offering a 13 feet 2-inch narrow transport for easier road moves. Well-spaced chisel shanks at 12 to 15 inches pair with a heavy-duty 1050 trip pressure. You get aggressive digging power while heavy residue flows through without plugging. With 34 inches of frame-to-tip clearance, the Elite Chisel handles high residue conditions with ease. The single-point depth control and level lift system helps you hold precise depth and even tillage across full width, even in rolling ground. Finish the field your way with a 2-bar or 3-bar harrow paired with hydraulic rolling baskets or rolling choppers. The result is better water infiltration, relief from compaction, and a surface that sets your planter up for success. To see the Elite Chisel in action or line up a demo, visit summersmfg.com or talk to your local dealer.